Hey everybody, Chris here. In this video, I'm going to talk about Dogecoin and the new Trump meme token. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that little notification bell too. You can be notified when my new videos come out, as well as when I do live streams. And often we see these new tokens coming and they get all the attention and a lot of people are buying it up. Some of them do continue to go up. Some of them rocket up and come back down. But where does the Trump token sit in this whole area right now? And how does Dogecoin look? So we're going to get into that. Let me show you the news and the charts. I'll show you what I'm looking at. We start here looking at the current Dogecoin chart right now, just under 40 cents. Yeah, this was the red line that we were talking about during the live stream on Friday that I was expecting Dogecoin to dip down to and retest. We were looking at a short term on these higher lows, but I marked them in blue thinking that was really a short-term scale, and I didn't really have a lot of confidence that that was going to continue up. And then late last night, we did see a pullback in the market and drop below that 40-cent line. So Doge 39.5 right now, a little bit of weakness right now overall in the crypto market. But on a short term, this appears to be hitting higher lows again after the dip here. Again, a lot of this was a leverage flush. We did have Bitcoin coming down as well, taking out some of that new leverage, and Bitcoin now right over $103,000, and we'll see where this goes. But right now, everybody wants to talk about this, and this is Donald Trump's new official Trump meme. And what is this about, and should you buy in? So let's talk about it. We'll talk about this meme here, and if you want to buy this, if you want to get into this, it's already listed on crypto.com. I have a link in the description below if you want to check out this meme token. Is it too late to get in? Where is this going to stand in terms of like a Pepe meme or a sheep meme or any of these other memes, the ones that have really taken off? And how is this going to trade? But I do have a link in below for crypto.com where it's already trading. They got in early as well because they, of course, want the trading to happen on their platform, because that's how the exchanges make money, right? The more trading, the more volume is, the more money that they make. But if you want to get into this, it's already available on crypto.com. Again, link is in the description below. What is this thing doing? This is the official Trump meme. It is Trump. It is just called TRUMP. It's not MAGA or one of those other ones. And really, I feel bad for the other Trump tokens that have been out for a year or more, and a lot of dedicated people have been working on those meme tokens, and this, of course, has really just flushed all of those out. So yeah, that's tough. Let me get an update here. $19 right now, $19.24 for Trump. Is this going to be the start of a little dip here, or is it going to go higher? When I looked at CoinMarketCap this morning to see if Trump was on here, and well, it is. Here it is at number 33, a $4.4 billion market cap already in just about 8 hours for the official Trump token. Number 33 already. So the only other memes that are above it here right now are Pepe, Sheeb, and Doge. That's it. Trump is just taken over everything else. What is this thing? Well, here's the website, the Trump meme, the only official Trump meme. Join the Trump community. This is history in the making. And the quote here from Donald Trump is, "Celebrate our win and have fun." So kind of interesting that this is supported by the incoming president of the United States. I think it's very similar maybe to this the financial liberty thing where there's really a team behind this. Trump has put his name on it, is supporting it. But of course, he's not running it, right? The team. It's the team who is running this. And I see this and I'm just like, now you can get your piece of history. The Trump meme celebrates a leader who doesn't back down no matter the odds. Join the Trump community. We're all about fighting for what matters. So what does this thing do, right? What is this about? So it looks like that 200 million Trump available on day one will grow to a total of 1 billion. So only 20% is out there right now. And it looks like from the allocation, so 10% went into the liquidity pool, 18% goes to creators, and the public distribution is 10%. So I think this is where they started, was the liquidity pool and the public distribution. And that's what's trading now, is that 100 million plus the liquidity pool. But to come, there's going to be all of these unlocks, and these unlocks are going to creators, 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 creators. It's like, what? I don't get this at all. And maybe more will come out about what this all really means, but and this token unlock schedule. So to me, I'd be very careful about this. I'd be very careful about this, particularly how it's trading now. I mean, here it started last night at like 20 or 30 cents, and now it's $20. And so we look at this price from where it started to the top there, and it's like 11,000%. So if you knew about this when it started last night, you made a lot of money. And there's already a bunch of stories out there of somebody who aped in right at the start and they already made like $10 million or some huge amount. Obviously, they probably knew what was going on, or they're the type that chase these memes and then look for the big ones. And this is a big one. This is a big one. But now trading around $20 for $1 billion plus market cap, you're not going to do 100x. So at this point, but can you ride this for a second wave? Most likely, this is going to have a second wave. There's going to be a sell-off here that's happening now, some profit taking, and this will probably go up higher. Now, we will check on this during my live stream on Saturday. Yes, I'm doing a special Saturday live stream at noon, and we'll follow up on how the Trump meme token fight is trading. But that's my take on it right now, is that the money was made overnight, but you can still probably make some. It's just when you get in and when you get out of this thing, because the long term, this has no utility. It doesn't do anything. It's just commemorating Trump with a token. That looks like that's all this is. Where we have Dogecoin, we have the Dogecoin Foundation. We have everything that the Dogecoin Foundation is doing in terms of the Giga Wallet, LibDoge, Radio Doge coming with Starlink integration and point of sale partnership, and how Doge is looking forward to adoption. That's what Doge is all working on, is adoption. And that Trump token is just a commemorative token. That looks like that's all that is. So let's get into it. What else is going on? We'll take a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is ready for a huge bull run. That's right. Very similar to what we saw back in 2021. The setup right here, the end of 2020 into 2021, is very similar to what we have now. We already had the first run. Could be 2 more runs to come. That what we could see as what happened back in 2021. Is this gearing up for Bitcoin? And of course, Doge does a very similar sort of trading like Bitcoin. We also have Ali telling us on XRP that after the dip, the TD sequential indicator is presenting a buy signal on XRP, anticipating a price rebound. This is what I would expect after an overnight dip in this weekend before the inauguration day, where I was expecting prices to go up, and we saw great trading on Friday. By seeing this on the XRP chart, is this going to translate over to the rest of the crypto market? Yeah, maybe last night's Trump thing and like all this liquidity going in to creating this $4 billion like meme token sucked a lot of liquidity out of other projects and helped the dip that we saw across the market. Maybe there's something to say about that, even though it's a Solana-based meme. Yes, it was built on Solana, and most people who deal with that aren't the same ones that are trading Bitcoin and XRP and Dogecoin on major exchanges. But still, it is a liquidity suck, right, that happened. So we have that. Now turning to Doge, we've got Master Kenobi. Doge is making waves ahead of its orbital launch. A similar behavior was observed during the September to November 2024 period, right before a massive pump. Now we know that was all right before the election. Now we've got the inauguration. Is that a similar thing that we're going to see a pump? Could it be right before, like this weekend, or on Monday, or immediately after? That's what we don't know. But the signal, the pattern that's set up of trading is certainly there for that kind of movement coming. Then you can also compare Dogecoin back to 2017, like Trader Allen does, and we see a very similar setup happening from 2017 to what's now at 2025, ready for a big upswing coming up. And then Trader Allen also looked at this power of three, where we have this accumulation, manipulation, and then distribution phase. And that's what we saw certainly in November, was a big move up called distribution. We went sideways for a while. We dipped down into this manipulation phase. And now moving back up, are we ready for this next distribution coming up? Dogecoin on the verge of a breakout, key levels and market momentum to watch. Yes, well, renowned crypto analyst Chris Pax, yes, I'm now again a renowned crypto analyst, has provided a positive outlook on Dogecoin, supported by compelling on-chain data and favorable market conditions. Pax highlights the rising dominance of altcoins, a trend indicative of growing investor interest beyond Bitcoin as a major driver of Dogecoin's momentum. So there you go from renowned crypto analyst Chris Pax. And then we have another one expecting a big move, another expert, and pointing to a $5 price target. This is coming from Crypto Elites, and Crypto Elites is looking again back at the 4-year cycles and where we were in previous cycles after the first move up, waiting for 2 more moves. And are we at that point on Dogecoin? And could that be up to a $5 price target? So we will be watching all of that as well. Come join me on the live stream on Saturday, and then I'll be live again on Sunday night, leading into my all-day live stream on Monday, Inauguration Day. A lot going on. Will Dogecoin be able to reclaim 40 cents? And will the Trump token be back up over $20? And how that looks going forward. We will catch up on all of that in the next live stream. Meanwhile, let me know in the comments below, what do you think about the Trump token and Dogecoin? Give the video a like if you haven't already. Please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate the support. We'll see you next time.